Fantasy Sports Price Prediction 2023, 2025, 2030, DFS Cryptocurrency Price Prediction. Fantasy Sports Past Price Analysis. According to the latest data gathered, the current price of fantasy sports is $0.009 and DFS is currently ranked 2,536 in the entire crypto ecosystem. The circulation supply of fantasy sports is 5,535,031 with a market cap of $52,243. In the past 24 hours, the crypto has been decreased by 0% in its current value. If we compare the current market cap of the DFS with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is also down. From last 7 days the DFS was in good upward trend and increased by 0.82%. Fantasy sports has shown very strong potential lately and this could be a good opportunity to dig right in and invest. However, after comparing the current price with past 30 days price history, it is observed that fantasy sports has increased 87.413% in its value. The average minimum price for the month is $0.001 while maximum average price was $0.001. This implies that this coin is a suitable asset and a new addition to your portfolio of coins for long term. The 90 days price change is around 85.19% and the price circulated from a minimum average price of $0.001 to maximum average price of $0.001 in the past 90 days. In last 4 months fantasy sports has shown a growing trend. Thus, we think that similar parts of the market were quite popular at that period. According to the latest data collected, the trading volume of fantasy sports is increased from 4 months. The trading volume constitutes a vital role in its price. The coin is up by 85.39% with the maximum average price of the coin was around $0.001 and the minimum average price was around $0.001 in past 4 months. Fantasy Sports, DFS, Price Prediction/Forecast for 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2030. Fantasy Sports Price Prediction 2023. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of DFS, in 2023 the price of fantasy sports is forecasted to be at around a minimum value of $0.014. The fantasy sports price value can reach a maximum of $0.016 with the average trading value of $0.014 in USD. Fantasy Sports Price Prediction 2024. As per the forecast price and technical analysis, in 2024 the price of fantasy sports is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $0.020. The DFS price can reach a maximum level of $0.024 with the average trading price of $0.021. DFS price forecast for 2025. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of DFS, in 2025 the price of fantasy sports is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $0.030. The DFS price can reach a maximum level of $0.035 with the average trading price of $0.030. Fantasy Sports, DFS, Price Prediction 2026. The price of fantasy sports is predicted to reach at a minimum value of $0.045 in 2026. The fantasy sports price could reach a maximum value of $0.052 with the average trading price of $0.046 throughout 2026. Fantasy Sports Price Prediction 2027. Fantasy sports price is forecast to reach a lowest possible level of $0.068 in 2027. As per our findings, the DFS price could reach a maximum possible level of $0.079 with the average forecast price of $0.070. Fantasy sports price prediction 2028. The price of fantasy sports is predicted to reach at a minimum value of $0.094 in 2028. The fantasy sports price could reach a maximum value of 12 cents with the average trading price of $0.097 throughout 2028. Fantasy sports, DFS, price prediction 2029. As per the forecast and technical analysis, in 2029 the price of fantasy sports is expected to reach at a minimum price value of 13 cents. The DFS price can reach a maximum price value of 17 cents with the average value of 14 cents. Fantasy sports price forecast 2030. The price of one fantasy sports is expected to reach at a minimum level of 20 cents in 2030. The DFS price can reach a maximum level of 23 cents with the average price of 20 cents throughout 2030. Fantasy sports, DFS, price prediction 2031. The price of fantasy sports is predicted to reach at a minimum level of 28 cents in 2031. The fantasy sports price can reach a maximum level of 34 cents with the average price of 29 cents throughout 2031. Fantasy sports price prediction 2032. Fantasy sports price is forecast to reach a lowest possible level of 39 cents in 2032. As per our findings, the DFS price could reach a maximum possible level of 49 cents with the average forecast price of 41 cents.